welcome to my channel, Sparkling Doodling Koala. I got this cute super mushroom toy from the Mario movies. So today we are drawing this cute little super mushroom plus the superstar from Mario. The first step in drawing both of them, well, we're gonna start with the mushroom. So first step in drawing that super mushroom, you're gonna do a line, and then you're gonna do another line that goes across, and another, and then we are gonna draw a line that goes across. After you draw your line that goes across, you're gonna do an upside down U shape, and you can make the edges round so that it looks cuter. Then after you do that, you're gonna draw the eyes. For the eyes, you're gonna make two oval shapes and two little curved lines inside. And then we're gonna do dots on the mushroom. For the dots, if you want to do it on the edges, you make a curved line just like you did here on the eyes. And then you can draw as many dots as you want. Now, moving on to the star, you can make the star smaller, bigger, or about the size of the mushroom. So for the star, you're just going to draw an upside down V shape, and then you're going to draw two lines coming out. Then you're going to make it the shape of this one at the top. And then you're going to do the same thing you did over here, but now they're kind of sideways facing up. And then for the eyes, you're going to do a similar thing you did for the mushroom, except you're going to do an oval.